Hello. Please tell me your name and where are you from? My name is Jun Hyung Kim. Please call me Dustin Kim. I came from South Korea. Okay. What problem were you facing when you came to me for consultation? Actually, I had a gouty. So there was a big swelling and big pain. Maybe scale to 0 to 10 scale. It was 8 or 9 levels pain. It was very hard. So, how was your experience with my treatment? How are you feeling now? After your treatment, it was very good. It's not now is 0 level of pain. That's really nice. Yeah. Level 0 of pain is really good. Yeah. So within just 2 weeks, the swelling was very big and pain was too high, but it's now totally removed. Okay. Yeah. So now I feel very satisfying with your treatments. Okay. Thank you for your feedback. I'm really glad we could help you. Thank you. Thank you for your hard work.